Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Zach here. In today's video, I am going to discuss about how you can download and install Steam to your PC. What you need to do, you need to go to Google Chrome browser or any other browser that you are using and type Steam, enter. Here you need to scroll down until you find store.steampower.com. This is the official website of Steam. Below it, you will see install Steam. Click on that. This link will take you directly to the page where you can install Steam. As you see on this page, you will see install Steam in a blue window. Click on it. Steam setup.exe is being downloaded. So click on that and then click on open and then click on next. Here you can choose the language that you prefer. So I'm gonna keep English. Click on next, and then in this place, this is the place where you will download the app. So I'm gonna leave it on C drive. You can leave it on C drive, or you can put it any other location that you prefer. Then click on install. Now the installation is completed. Completing Steam setup. Run Steam and click on finish. Now Steam is being updated into your PC. It will take a little bit of time, and then you can create an account, or if you have already an account, you can directly log in to the app and start playing. I'm gonna as well guide you how you can do that. So now the update is already completed and I got that window where I need to create a new account. If I don't have one, I need to create one so I can start playing the games. Or if I already have, I can log in with existing account. I already have an account, but just for the ones who doesn't have an account, I'm gonna click on create new account first. And here is just a straightforward account creation. You need to put your email address, confirm it, and put your the place you are residing, and then click on I'm not a robot and I am 13 years of age or older, continue, and then after that you will receive an email to confirm your email address. Once you confirm that, then you can log in to Steam. Now this is in case you don't have an account. So I have already an account. I'm gonna put my account name and as well password. So here I am with Steam. There is a three categories: free to play games, games on sale now, new releases. I'm gonna click on free to play games. So you can click on free to play games and it will display the games that are for free, which you can play for free. You can check which game you like and you can start to play immediately. With that, I have come to the end of this video. I hope it was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.